drama, the romance, the animals. Part romance, part fantasy, and part slice of life, Fruits Basket follows the story of Toru Honda, a high school student who finds herself an orphan after experiencing the death of her mother. She is luckily taken in by the Soma family, including her popular classmate Yuki, his goofy guardian Shigure, and later the fiery Kyo, Yuki's longtime rival. Despite Kyo and Yuki's constant bickering, Toru soon finds herself feeling more and more at home. But she soon discovers that the Somas are hiding a secret. They are under a curse that causes them to turn into a Zodiac Animal when they are weak, wounded, or hugged by a member of the opposite sex. Shenanigans ensue as Toru works to meet the rest of the Zodiac members and learn more about the mystery behind the curse. Fruits Basket is not only one of my favorite manga, it is one of my favorite books in general. On the surface, Fruits Basket appears to be a fairly straightforward romance, but a lot of the tropes common in this genre are subverted, though I won't tell you which. Spoilers. It offers complex explorations of Toru's platonic relationships as well, like that of Toru and her two best friends, as well as her relationships with her deceased parents. It addresses topics of grief and trauma unflinchingly. It takes on the fallout of abuse and what it takes to move forward. And it does it all while being relentlessly uplifting and humorous. While Fruits Basket was first published in Japan in 1999, it is seeing a major resurgence in interest since the rebooted anime came out in 2019. Fruits Basket may be over 20 years old, but it is timeless in its emotional truth. Fruits Basket seems fluffy in the beginning, but while it does retain its charm and its sense of humor, it is also a deep story of what it means to love and be loved, what it means to be family, and what it means to be a good person. We have both the manga and the newest anime available, so come check it out!